In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus next to three dots at the top right one and set up an hour. When you're ready, click on days of the week you wish to add. Tap on alarm name and label it however you wish to. Then scroll down to tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to turn them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can tap on each one on the left to adjust it. Let's start with alarm sound. You can adjust volume thanks to this slider at the bottom and pick one of those sound sources. If you decided to select ringtone, click on it. Manage those two switchers if you want to. And to add a song from your smartphone, click on this plus at the top right corner. Decide if you wish to play selected highlights thanks to this switcher and then click on the song you wish to set up. Now hit save at the top right corner. If you want to add one of those sounds instead, just click on the best one and go back. Now choose vibration to pick one of those patterns. Select silent or adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Then click on snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Last but not least, to change alarm background only for this alarm, click on it here, select allow all and choose background at the top left corner. Then you can pick one of those to apply a perfect one and hit done at the top right corner. To customize it though, select background, click on one of your folders from Gallery app, select the photo you wish to apply and hit done at the top right corner. Then save your alarm by choosing save at the bottom right one. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and choose cancel or save. And to get rid of it, just hold it, click delete at the bottom and confirm your choice. Sorry, you don't have to confirm your choice, apparently. So just hold it and hit delete. If you want to adjust backgrounds for all alarms, click on those three dots next to plus icon, select settings, and then click on alarm background here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!